Dear, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to change TikTok privacy settings to public. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know that how to change TikTok privacy settings to public, how to make your TikTok account public. Click on the TikTok app, click on the profile icon, click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner, click on settings and privacy. Click on the privacy, you can see here option of private account. You are logged on that your account is private. If you want to make it public, turn it off and switch to public account and turn your account public. Now you will got off this option, it means your account is now public. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.